How to fix call ended problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix call ended problem on Android. If your call ends without any notification or without any reason, then what you can do is, in order to fix it, first of all you can check your balance. If you have an insufficient balance, then it might be one of the reasons why your call ended without any notification. So according to the country or the reason that you're residing on, the code might differ, so all you have to do is just go ahead and check for the balance if you have enough or not. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and make some changes. So for that, go to the settings and here go to apps and notification. After that, you'll need to go to defaults app located right at the bottom, and over here make sure that the phone app is selected. After you've done with this procedure, now right on this page you need to go and select all apps and click the three dot icon located right on top and go to reset app preferences. So if you're sure about it, then click the reset app. That's gonna take a while, so you can restart the device after the procedure is completed, and that might be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, long press on your call log, and after that go to the app info page. Here go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache. So after you're done clearing your cache, that might be able to fix the issue. Still, whenever you're receiving a call and you try to talk to another person, without any reason the call might end. You might have set default as the side button to end the call state. You must have by mistakenly pressed on it, so make sure to be careful with the side buttons, so that might be able to fix the issue. So in that way you can fix your call end problem on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.